The tile, as you can see, has triangles, and the triangles are pointed towards me, right? So this is a triangle pointed towards me. So when we installed these pieces, we made sure our center line was on the actual door opening, and that is this point, right? So that point just extends right to here. So that's the first thing. The second thing is we really wanted a full triangle on the most visible side, which is over here, okay? Full triangle in the center, full triangle at the baseboard. The cuts actually happen below the vanity, and that's okay, right? Because we really don't see what's happening below this vanity. So those are three really important things that we look at when we place our tiles. So we lay it out in one room, we pick our center line, we understand where we want to see full tile, and in this case, we cut the areas below the vanity. So that's the quick scoop on this tile and how we installed it in this room.